Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now, we could start with Arsenal Football Club. But before we enter today's story, I just want to use this opportunity to greet you now. Happy new month. So I just pray say this month will bring a lot of favors to our life, and may God grant to our heart desires in Jesus' name and inshallah. I am will proceed. Kevin Campbell will be one of our favorite pundits. Don't come outside and call the talk say all the people where they talk Arteta out, Edu Gaspar out, Richard Garlic out, Arsenal and shit packer, Arsenal and this, Arsenal and that. Where then they now? Where then they? So in as much as when club they do bad, now come aside openly, they criticize them. Arteta is this, the players are that, Kroenke out, all those things. Now when we say the players when they do fine, the club when they go in the right direction, we want them go. We're not supposed to come out also publicly, come praise them, say the players are doing fine, Arteta is doing fine, everybody is doing fine. Maybe that's why they talk for live the other day. Say Moku cut these people some slack, get praise Arteta when they do. Some people will say, it's too early days now. Why you go praise them? They just win 3. What if they praise them? We get 38 matches to go. But you know, say they get 38 matches to go. When they can't lose 3, you can't they blab your mouth, they shout, just they talk. If they lose 3 and you come outside, blah 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 blah. Now when they win 3, says also come outside, blah 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 blah. That's what it's supposed to be. So where are all these people? Surprise, Arsenal they offer Lacazette to AC Milan. Say AC Milan come collect them for January. Maybe they come give them small money. Say now what they go want. So my question now be say, now we be say they don't they offer this guy to different people. If Arteta know say he no get Lacazette for him plan at the end of the day, he say now he won't sell him for January. Why not buy a replacement before the season starts? Only for transfer window. Why not buy a replacement so we can dey ahead of him for the pecking order when you don't know say this guy no dey for your plan? Because from the look of things, they've not really played him, and now they look for how to go sell him for January because they no want make him go for free. So the reason to collect any money from your hand. How many games this guy don't play for EPL this season? So why not collect people when they available? You won't collect Abraham before you can't talk say you need to offload Lacazette, you need to offload Nketiah. Why not collect him in the first place? When Lacazette come dey for Benjamin, then later he sell him because more no lie, he no dey for Arteta plan. Now cup the one they use him for. That's just the truth. With the before Arsenal they play now, Lacazette no dey for himself. So why not? I don't just understand. This one pay me. See now they try to offer him to everybody. Brighton don't post for their Twitter handle. They talk say they expect Arsenal for this weekend. So they can't post one picture one of their players can't do hand like this. Say they go punch us, they go defeat us. And Brighton boss Graham Potter when they talk say they go depend on the fans. Again, say the fans go be very important if they don't play Arsenal. Well, that one concern them. Without fans, so fans no deal. On a good day, who be Brighton now? Because they just do one kind of mistake. They all they high up for the table. Become be like saying one kind of important man. Who be Brighton here Arsenal? You go they knock them that day, go be like film. Now what me at the field because they hype them Brighton. Who na be? Who you be now? Finally, Saka and Ramsdale don't they added to England World Cup qualifying squad. So they're very, very happy, especially Ramsdale. And they're very, very happy. So nobody say they draft him in. And they pretty make him play because him did there, Sam Johnstone did there, and Jordan Pickford did there. Maybe that's why they talk before say, you see that Sam Johnstone, the guy good gone, he good like Ramsdale, the guy that for Newcastle in the keep. But you know say because of that shit back in defense, now he can chip in a lot of goals. So before Ramsdale and Johnstone and then be the number 2 keepers for that England EPL, as in when they got shot stoppers, they face a lot of shots because they did for shit packer defense. But now if you say Ramsdale don't upgrade now, don't go Arsenal, you know go to face plenty shots like when in there for Sheffield United because no England defense we go to shield them. So once in a while we will knock some shots, but no go be like steady every day. At the same time, talking about positive news, Arteta don't dey nominated as manager of the month. You get, so I pray when people vote for him, make him win because this guy really try turn things around. You know what he mean? Just lose your first 3, everybody they criticize you, talk bad about you, this and that. All of a sudden, you just change things around. Now come win the next 3. Even the FA itself acknowledge say, we gats nominate this guy good. I don't know, he show himself, he show that tenacity, he show that doggedness, he show that productivity, he show that vibe, that energy. I don't know. I beg you, borrow me more agents, make I take qualify with Arteta do. I just be very happy for the manager. I beg. At least one person they do badly, you curse am, say he no do this, he no do that. When he can do well, praise am, put am for spotlight, make himself dey happy. At the same time, Henry, one of our great legends, don't come outside. They advise Mikel Arteta and Edu, say make them go sign Bernardo Silva, because say once upon a time this guy won't come out for Man City, but I don't know what's in that other contract, and maybe in beggar the guy no can't go again, because in the reason himself saying he surplus the requirements for this, so he won't go. So now he can still stay back. But Henry they feel say if better club come for us, say the guy go still go say make Arsenal approach him, especially when he say Arteta and all these Man City players then get history. So make him approach and say the guy go come for us. Mikel Arteta don't come outside from media city, can they talk about some things, can they clarify one matter, can talk say you see as Arsenal dey now. So Arsenal don't set one kind standard wey be say if we lose one match, everybody go talk say na crisis. Na wetin Baba dey talk about. So if we lose one, they go say na crisis be that. So that is why we no fit afford to lose matches, because we don't set. See that's what we do against Tottenham. We don't set standard for ourselves. Now everybody will expect us to play like that for the rest of the matches, which is not possible. You get, if you just dey super hyped, like how they play like that for all your matches. Some days will come when we say, our form go low. It dey happen. See what happened to Tottenham before the beginning of the season. They were high. Everybody will say, no Esperanto Santos, this coach, na mad, na fire, na this one, na that one, na mafia, this. Now where them dey. Now, so it just be see Manchester United now. Where Ronaldo come, Ororo, see Ronaldo, they go win league. Where them dey now. So now so it just be. So time will come and we say if you know they play to our potential, look at them come outside again, come they call for the head of this coach. So everybody now don't trust the process. So could they trust until the end? Don't say go trust and halfway now, can't jack back, can't change your mind, say no trust again. No. For media setting, they call they ask Gareth Southgate, say what he make and choose Aaron Ramsdale. You get say he's supposed to choose Nick Pope, some other good keepers. So back on the talk, say one of the criteria is now form, making no lie, and say this Aaron Ramsdale, say the guy really dey in rich vein of form, because when you move from Sheffield United, move to Arsenal, can't displace the number one way they did. That's a big statement. It shows you are doing something very well, and a goalkeeper wey dey very good at distribution with his speed, commanding the back line. I would see coaches the ones now, goalkeeper wey go dey authoritative for that back line. Who go dey get mouth, they talk, say they, because now they see everything with their front. Wey go dey guide you, say look at that. If you to see person for front using leg, I go pass. Now wetin they really need, and they very very happy. Say the guy dey in form, say don't join the team. So moving forward, they go know whether they go start am, because no be to call you be the issue. Call you, start you. All Arsenal fans they pray for. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lovers, here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we share our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon where they there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.